Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check leaked password in Microsoft Edge. So for you to do that, you have to click on this three dot icon, then settings, then click on profile, then scroll down and click on passwords. Good. Then right up here you can see click check password security check, and you can go check on your password and to see which one is leaked. You can see up down here I have about 3 of my password that is weak and 8 password reused, and here now you can see no leaked password. So if you want to check or probably any of your password you use on any of your websites is leaked, then here you can have the whole history of the password or probably the website which the password is leaked. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.